welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add templates video on a Filmorago apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Filmorago apps and then at the menu. At the bottom, you can click on a template at the bottom. Click on it. And in here, you can see the template on a Filmorago apps. You can use or you can click the effect that you want. Maybe this one, so you just click on it, and in here you can click on make a video, and after this you can use in here please add 1 until 6 clips. So you just click on the photo or a video that you want to edit, maybe on this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And after this you can click on next. Okay, please waiting. And after this you can see the template on a Filmorago app. This is the finish on a template. So that's how to add templates a video on a Filmorago apps. And after this you can export the video. Okay, and then you can see your video template on your gallery. So that's how to add a template a video on a Filmorago apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.